In this lecture, we are going to discuss colors in HTML. How many ways we can represent a color with the help of CSS. The first one, suppose let's you observe that we are using color property, color, like a color name, like a pink. Automatically the color is text color will be represented in pink color. Suppose in a place of pink we are writing a green, automatically the content will be represented in green color, right? So in this way, with the help of color name, we can represent color, text color. But how many colors we can write the name? Like in a shades, in one yellow is there, number of shades are available, and there are combination of colors will become like a lemon yellow and green, light green, dark green, plenty of colors is there. How can be? The sea color is there, water color, and plenty types of colors are available. But how we can write? So it is a very difficult to recognize and difficult to write. So that there is a one more alternative is there. The first one, we can represent color in color name. With the help of name we can represent. And the second one is hexadecimal format. What is a hexadecimal? With the help of this hexadecimal we can represent our color in alphabets and numerical format. Like totally the hexadecimal is start with hash with a 6-digit combination, combo of 6 digit, like a A to F alphabets and 0 to 9 numbers. It is a combination of A to F and 0 to 9. Like just to observe the hash 00FF and 00. It is a one color. And hash FF00FF. It is also one color. Hash ABC123. It is also one color. With the help of this combination A to F hash A to F and 0 to 9. With the help of this combination, with the help of this letter combination, we will be get one unique color. And the next one is RGB. RGB is a one of the method. RGB, red, green, blue combination. Totally it having 3 values. The first value is red relevant, second value is green, and third value is blue. The red value is 0 to 255 and as well as green and blue having 0 to 255 colors. Based on this value 120, suppose this is a 120 and 120 0. It is a combination of red and green. We will be get one color. The totally this RGB format we will be get 16 million colors. 16 million colors we will be get with the help of RGB. There is RGB A is there. There is nothing but alpha. A is nothing but alpha. So we can, with the help of this alpha, we can get the transparency of the color, like a 0 to 1, in the sense 0.1 to 1.0. It is a very light, thinner. It is a complete color, original color. It is a very light color, transparent color, right? With the help of this RGB, we will be get one new color, 16 million color. It is a combination of red, green, and blue. The third one is HSL function. It is a fourth one. Fourth one is HSL function. This HSL having 4 values. HSL having first one is hue and saturation, and next one is lightness. The H is for hue and S is for saturation and L is for lightness. It is a 3 combination. When we are using hue 0 to 360. So 0 is nothing but 0 is represent red color, and up to 120 it is a combination of red, and 120 it is a combination of green, and 240 it would be blue. Again red, green, blue only, but it is a different way we can represent RGB way. The saturation value, the percentage way we can represent, and lightness also we are representing percentage. And when we are reaching 100%, we will be get original color. The saturation is nothing but a shadow of the color, and we will be check how it will be works. So open Visual Studio Code and go live. This is our web page, right? This is our web page. The title I want to change colors. So here I want to apply style sheets, right? Style tag, like there is a body tag. I don't want to use body. This is a P tag. p tag, this is fs. So I want to write here some styles. Just observe here. Like color. So here you can represent, these are number of colors are available, like a number of colors, different colors. How we can recognize these all colors? Very difficult, right? This is one color, this is a silver color, the text color is silver, right? So we can represent like a blue. So blue relevant, like black, blue, blue violet and brown. The text color is change, right? So with the help of color name we can write. So RGB format, actually this is a RGB format, right? So next one, hexadecimal format we want to use. Hexadecimal format. Hexadecimal format. What is hexadecimal format? Hash 1 2 3 AAA. This is one color, actually we don't know, and otherwise hash FF00FF. This is one color, and all F's all F. This is one color, like A. This is one color. So in this way we will be get different color. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We will be get one color. In this way we will be find number of colors we will be get. And the next one, with the help of RGB also we will be get, like I want to use one more, H1 lorem. This is one text here, right? So I want to use H1 tag, H1 selector, and color property. So here I want to use RGB format. RGB, it is a red green blue combination. 123 comma 240 comma, right? Next one is 33. What we are getting? We are getting different color, right? Different color we are getting, different color, right? So next I want to change this RGB value. Just to observe, this RGB value will be change, right? Different colors we are getting based on red green blue combination we will be get. How we are getting? Just your hold down your cursor, just stop at a particular point, automatically the Visual Studio Code will be gives this window with you can select your what you want, which color you want, right? All 7s, all 083. Based on this you will be get, right? RGB, right? Next one, RGB colors. Next one is HSL colors. The background color I want to use background color HSL. Hue, right? What is a hue? Suppose I am using here 45 comma 29 percentage comma next 35 percentage. We will be get one particular color here, right? We will be get one particular color. When you are changing here 145 and this is a different color, like a 245 you will be get another color, right? It is a combination 245, suppose 50, it is a one different color, right? 5, this is one different color. So this is one different color, and there is a is there alpha. What is happen alpha? Again you observe here H2 lorem and same colors I want to use here. Copy H2 selector, same colors. Then you observe same color, both are similar properties. But when I am using this alpha, the difference you observe, alpha and the transparency would be different, 0.2. what happens? It is a, right, this is a color, just to observe, very light color, right? And the background color is different, right? And this one also we can use 0.1. you will get very light transparent, background color would be changed. Just observe here, the text color, text alpha 0.5, text color is different, very transparent. Just observe transparency. And 1.8, there is a different transparent 6, right? This is the difference. With the alpha and not required directly, it supports 4 values, but I is indicating there is alpha values there. The transparency is available, right? I think all are getting very clear, right? So if you have any doubt, please put a message, right? Comment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.